Okay, by now I'm sure that you already know that the ChatGPT pictures look a bit yellow, and it's just the subtle style that is always included when you're creating a picture using ChatGPT. And sometimes it's great, but a lot of times it's not great. You want to create a picture without the yellow tint or the Mexico filter. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this yellowish color when you create a picture using ChatGPT. By the way, this is for a picture that you already created. If you haven't created a picture and you want to make sure that it doesn't look yellow, then I have made a video about that. You can check it out on my channel. So this is only for the picture that you have created on ChatGPT and you just don't want to make it to look too yellow. So the tool that you want to use called GPT-4o Yellow Tint Cleaner. I'm going to leave the link in the video description. So this tool is free. You don't even have to sign up for anything. And I'm going to show you how you can use this tool to turn the yellowish picture into something that is more color accurate. So let's open the tool, and for this example, for this demonstration, I will try to use this picture which is from this website on The Verge. And basically I'm going to just drag and drop the file right here. There you go. Now you can click this adjustment settings. You can open it, and here I do recommend to adjust a few settings here. I highly recommend to set the strength to be maximum, and after that the brightness maybe around anywhere between 3 to 10%. I'm going to set it to be 5%. And contrast, I can ignore it. Saturation, you can ignore it. Red channel, I'm going to reduce it to around maybe 10%. Green channel, you can ignore it. And the blue channel, you want to increase it a bit stronger, maybe around 10 to 30%. I will try to get it to 20%. All right, and for the processing mode, you want to select RGB. And after that, you can click this process image button and just wait until the new image is created. And there you go. This is the new version of this picture. You can see that this one looks very yellow, but this one looks more lifelike. It's almost like Newton just coming to this town and then have this nice picture. It's really amazing. So again, this is the setting that you can try, but again, you can use a different setting based on the picture. You can always change the number here to make sure that the picture looks as accurate as possible. So that's how you can reduce the yellow tint color on ChatGPT pictures. I hope you find this video to be useful, and if that was the case, then subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video.